Hello everyone. Today we're going to be installing images. Images are basically pre-configured operating systems that are packed into one massive file. These pre-configurations can range from having Chrome as the default browser to having certain users be able to log into the machine. So for this lab, we're going to be installing Kali Linux, which is a type of Linux operating system that comes with a lot of pre-installed hacking tools, which will make our lives a whole lot easier throughout this lab. So if you go to Google and type in Kali Linux download, we can click the first link and it'll take us to the official kali.org website. So if you scroll down, and since we have VirtualBox set up, we want to be downloading the VirtualBox image. So if you scroll down, we're now at the offensive security page, and make sure to click the Kali Linux VirtualBox image, the second tab. And you can go ahead and download the 64-bit or 32-bit, either one works. I'm going to go ahead and start installing the 32-bit, and this will take a while. The only difference between these two images are just the file types. VirtualBox uses a VDI or VMDK or OVA files, while VMware uses another type. So now that we have Kali Linux successfully downloaded, we can go over and open up VirtualBox, click Import, go to this yellow folder icon. We can go to Downloads or wherever you downloaded it. Double click Kali, click Next. And for this one, I just want to change the name. Let's change it to Kali 1. Go ahead and click Import. Agree. Awesome. So it should only take a few minutes to import. We are importing gigabytes of data inside VirtualBox. So I will see you guys right after it's complete. So now that Kali Linux is successfully imported, we can go ahead and click Start just to test if it's working. Give it a few seconds to boot up. And usually when you get to this page, yep, so it's working all right. So a few things for Kali Linux. If this is not working for you, you want to make sure that you have extensions properly downloaded as well as virtualization. And that was covered in the last video. Thanks for listening.